just wanted to bring you a haul video. I can't even cope. Look at little Brie in the corner. Good girl. I went into Poundland and I wanted to share with you what I got because I'm going to be using it in the next video. So I'm just going to show it you, maybe do a few swatches, and yeah, that's pretty much the video. So if you like the sounds of that, then just stick around. So this is the Poundland bag. I'm just going to start grabbing stuff out to show you. So they did not have a primer and they did not have a setting spray. I think I got everything else. We'll see. So the first thing I got was this foundation that looks awful now that it's been in that bag for a while. Oh dear. Shake that bit. So I got this. This is the Matte Me Over Long Lasting Foundation. Apparently it is vitamin enriched. And this is in the shade 3 Rose Beige. That's sort of like the texture we're working with. Oh, it's very, oh, it's weird. It feels weird. It feels like oily. Like, I'm gonna put a bit on my tattoo. Oh guys, that's just like, that's so shit. Colour's probably gonna be a bit too dark, but I get the feeling that I can probably share it out into nothingness and then it'll be a perfect match. I'm just gonna read actually what this foundation says. It says, long-lasting foundation with a natural matte finish, enriched with vitamins to nurture your skin whilst maintaining a flawless coverage. Lightweight base. Lightweight base. Why can't I speak? Lightweight base. So next we're going to do concealer. So this is what I picked up. It's a little stick concealer. This is called Hide and Chic. Hide and Chic. Hides and conceals blemishes for a natural coverage. It's vegan suitable again. It didn't have a shade on it, so I don't know what shade it's in. But this is what it looks like. It's just like one of them like lipstick tubes. It feels waxy. That's what it looks like. I can definitely see that dragging on your skin. It's very sticky. It's just sort of blended into nothingness. The next I got is, it's pretty much the same thing, but this is the contour version. So this is the Hide and Chic Contour Sculpt and Define. This is in the shade Chocolate. Accentuates cheekbones and facial contours for a sculpted appearance. So it's the exact same thing. It looks like a lipstick tube, and this is the colour that I got. Right, that looks orange. Where did I get this shade? And it looks orange. Who's excited for me to try that? Not me. Smoothly Does It Pressed Powder. This is just in the shade Translucent 1. Super soft matte powder for a shine-free finish. Contains vitamin E. So this is what it looks like. Looks like this. Feels fairly smooth. I mean, just that's sort of what it's looking like. And this is the Good to Glow matte bronzer. This is in the shade Matte Light 1. A super soft matte bronzer for a natural glow. Contains vitamin E, UVA and UVB filters. I don't know what that means, but I suppose it's a good thing. It's orange. So this is the Glow with the Flow cream highlighter. Super smooth multi-use highlighter to add a touch of radiance to brows, cheekbones and cupid bow. It doesn't have a shade, it just says cream highlighter. Oh, it's like iridescent. Can you see it? Oh, that's nice. Okay, we're gonna try that out. I like the names on these. Eyebrow pencil blendable colour. OC1, I think is that the shade? Slay the Brow. It's in the shade Brown 2. It doesn't come with a spoolie. So that's what that looks like. Do you think that's gonna match? Finally, I gave in and I got a brow gel. This is called Slay the Brow. This is the brow gel up to 24-hour wear. I'm not gonna test that. It's vegan suitable. This is in the shade 2 Brunette. That's what that looks like. Okay, so I've just swatched the brow gel out there. It's much light. This is the brow gel, this is the pencil, so it's much lighter. I got an eyeshadow primer actually because I really wanted to try one. This is just eye primer. Turn a primed eye. This is just in clear one. It says soft smooth eye primer that helps prevent creasing and prolongs eyeshadow wear. Remove with waterproof eye makeup remover. So that's just what that looks like. It's just like a stick. You can twist it out. Oh, that's how much you get. That's pretty good amount. Just watching it right here. Here's Baby Bear. She doesn't like it because someone's doing fireworks at like 4:15, which is just absolutely insane to me. So we've been joined by a baby. Okay, so what did we get next? Look at these. You're so beautiful. Jesus, that eyebrow gel doesn't want to come off, does it? What? Look, these makeup sticks. These are Glide Away eyeshadow sticks, if I can hold them all. So I've got 3 colours. These were on sale, these were only 50p. So I've got this one. This is in the shade Pearl Sheen 2. That's like kind of iridescent-y. Okay, that's nice. The shade Antique Gold 3, which is kind of like this bronzy colour. Ooh, that's nice. And then the final shade, this is in the shade Smoky Grey 4. It's still nice, but it's not as nice as the other two. But they're what I got. I thought I could try and do a look with them. It just says on the back here, a velvety soft blendable eyeshadow pencil, waterproof and long lasting, remove with waterproof eye makeup remover. Then we're on to the last 4 items. We have this eyeliner. This is the Makeup Gallery Pro Liquid Eyeliner. It says long lasting intense colour for bold and beautiful eyes. This is what it looks like. It's like a brush tip. Not really promising because it's quite streaky. And then we also have this mascara. This is the Turn Up the Volume and Define mascara. With lengthening fibres, this mascara creates length, precise definition and separation with vitamin B5. And this is in the shade Brown Black 3. So this is what that wand looks like. Quite a chunky old wand. That feels weird. So that's just what that looks like. It just looks like sort of like a faded black, I suppose. It's not going to be black, but I don't mind. Honestly, I wanted to buy a brown mascara. I've been kind of feeling it. Then I have this lip liner Precise Definition. This is in the shade Mango Splash 10. This is what it looks like. So I actually wanted this to go with a red lip, and when I saw it, I thought it was red, but it's like orange. It's like tropical orange. So then this is the lipstick that I got with it. This is the All About the Pout Colour Moisture Lipstick in the shade 28 Paris. So this is what it looks like. It's quite a bright red. That's it next to the lip liner, so it's definitely 2 different colours. Yeah, that's the end of the haul. I hope you enjoyed it, and make sure that you subscribe to see the actual review video of these products that will be coming soon. So thanks for joining me today. Bye!